Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a video header to your web page with an awesome looking navbar and an hovering button. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with it. So first thing first, we will make a new folder on our desktop, that is to this Tara, which will be your name of our website, and we'll open the atom editor and our PC. Now we'll open a new our folder which we made it, that is to this Tara, and we'll open a new window and recover state, and we'll delete all the welcome guides and shit. And then we will make a new file, index.html. Now we'll make a new folder, that is CSS, and inside CSS we'll make a new file, styles.css. Now we will make a new folder into this data, that is video. And cancel out all the files we don't require, and we'll visit Bootstrap for this CD, and I will press on get started, and we will copy this starter template and we will paste here, and we paste it now here. We'll delete all this hello world and we'll change the title to tourist Agra. Now we will visit Google Fonts. The first font we will search is Open Sans Condensed. I'll select this style, that is slide 300. Now I'll search for another one, that is Pacifico. I'll select this style, and our last one will search is Titius. I'll select this style and we'll embed. I'm going to embed and copy this link and we'll paste in our index.html. Comment it out as Google Fonts. Below that we will link our CSS file to it, and CSS styles.css. We'll add a comment, that is CSS style sheet. Now we will visit Google Font Awesome, that is will copy this Font Awesome CDN, which is HTML1, and I'll copy it and I'll paste in our head section, and I'll comment it as Font Awesome CDN. Yep. So alright. So now we're done with our header title section, that is head section. Now we'll copy this basic navbar from bootstrap.com and we'll paste it here. And here we go. Yes. Now I'll make the navbar dash dark and background dash dark. I'll change the navbar dash brand to tourist Agra. So website name, and I'll go down. I'll delete this drop down menu from our navbar and plus the disabled item. We'll delete this form too, which is search form. Now we will make it Asia. We'll write all 6 continents except Antarctica. Well, Africa, then we'll copy and paste it 4 more times, and yes, that's done. Now we will make the third one to Europe, and fourth one to North America, and fourth one to South America. Fifth one will be Australia. Okay, sixth one will be Australia, and we'll add a new class to our navbar, that is navbar 1 for accessing our CSS style. We'll make a new header section which has a div and a test class overlay. We'll make a new video tag which is source. Now we will add place inline. Yeah, we'll make it place inline, and then which will be auto played, and we will mute it and we play that on our loop. We'll play continuously without any interruption. So the source will be, we'll visit pixabay.com /videos and will copy download this file from their home page. We'll download it 1280x720 pixels and download it and will open it folder and will copy that and will paste it to the Stara video folder. Yes, I will rename it to video 1 and I'll paste write out the source, that is video/video1.mp4 and the type will be video/video/mp4. Yeah, there we go. Cancel out the extra spaces. Make a new div class container which is h10 h100 and inside that we'll make a new div d-flex h100. Inside that we'll again make a new div my auto at 100. Text will be white. Basically we are using bootstrap here. Now we will give a h1 to it which has class display 3. It's all bootstrap. It has a to do Stara /h1 and the text will be to do Stara name of our website. And h2 which is class travel dash world is our whole class and we'll write the text travel the world with this. Fine. Now we'll add a button to it which is class btn which is a bootstrap kind of thing. btn again btn dash entry and travel button which will be our whole class. Now the text will be let's go G capital. Visit font awesome in a browser and we'll search for plain. I made a mistake here but it's alright. You can see the plain. I'll say start using this icon and we'll paste it after to the server and we'll make it FA. And we'll copy the file path and paste it here. We can see the video header is occurring. You can see your video header and it really looks nice. We allow styles or CSS and .navbar 1. Actually we don't need navbar, I think so. We'll just cancel it out and we'll add a .navbar dash brand. We'll access the brand that is to the Stara. To change the font family, that is it we don't have it cancelled out, so we'll write it Pacifico comma cursive. Yes, and the font size will be 1.5 Arial. So that's fine. We'll control and select all this and we'll write continents. We'll access our continents class at each item on the navbar and we'll give it a margin of 0.8 REM 0.08. I will make it 0.8 on the left. Yes, it looks nice. Access our header tag through position relative, background color will be black, height will be inherited, minimum height should be 25 REM, look fine, the width should be inherited and the overflow should be hidden. Yes. I got a color background on the right side. Change to a video. Header video should be and the position should be absolute from top it should be 50%, from left it should be 50% and the minimum it should be 100%. The minimum height should be 100% and the width should be auto. Height should be auto. Z index should be 0, which is the default property. I will MS transform. I will translate. Basically translate it. I think we'll not do this. We'll simply transform it. We'll translate it. translate X and to minus 50%. Yes. And translate Y to minus 60%. Yes. Looks nice. We got a full header section video. Now we will access the container class. I wrote it container. Write it container. Position should be relative. Z index will be 2. Yeah, that's fine. Now we'll make a new header and we'll access the overlay class and the position will be abstract. From top it will be 0%. From left position it should be 0% too. And yes, we are accessing the overlay class. Now the height should be 100%, width should be 100%, background to this should be black, opacity should be 0.5 because it's above that video, right? Z should be 1. The overlay is above the video. I'll access the TV star dash H1. Yes, there we go. Got that. You need to change the Z index of this particular line something. I'll change it later. Now padding should be 5.0 rem. Font family will be righties from mobile fonts. It will be recursive if it right doesn't appear in our browser. So the transition should be 0.9 seconds. And I will copy it and paste it down here and I will write hover, rotate here and I will repeat hover, and transform it, will translate Y, will make it minus 0.5 rem. Yes, write a new class that is plain icon for the icon, will access it, will translation 3 seconds. Yes, and I will copy that and we will copy this too and paste it here. Now I will access the plain icon class and we will transform it to translate it to be basically 30 pixels, comma minus 30 pixels. The minus 30 pixels in the Y direction and 30 pixels in the Z direction, Z axis basically. That's in the travel world. So the font family should be open sans content to the work. We'll make a default that is sans serif. I'll do padding that is 000, 001 rem and 1 rem. Transition should be 0.9 seconds. I'll copy this and paste down here. Yes. Right hover or curly braces, transform it, transition should be translate Y, yeah, translate it, 0.5 travel button, we will write that, it should be 2.5 rem, which should be 7 rem, position should be absolute, and from left it should be 3 rem, transition should be 0.9 seconds. Copy that and paste it here and write hover. Above shadow should be 10 pixels, 10 pixels, 55 pixels, 0 pixels. Yes. Now I'll change the RGBA 135, 133, 135 and the last will be 1. Yes. Keep it 1 as it is. Now we'll save it. I'll say all our files. I'll choose the directory of the index.html and here we go. We got what we wanted. We got an awesome plain effect and a hover effect in our buttons and a cool looking navbar. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more awesome videos. Thank you guys.